All right, this is the Fastest Roadside Guy alive. People wonder how I'm so fast. This is one of the secrets. It's a 20-volt Ingersoll Rand impact gun. I never have to use a breaker bar or a four-way or a cheater bar. I just zip them on and off with this bad boy. You can have the car jacked up. You can do it all in one step. Boom, boom, boom. This tool will break anything loose. If it doesn't break loose with this, it's not coming off. Again, with putting it back on, I got my foot here. I got one lug nut. I just make sure it's on there. I switch over, put my torque stick on. Get them on there a few turns. You're done. That's how you do it with an Ingersoll Rand impact gun.